We are in a market and there is a very tight parking spot. And I'm trying to back up into this position and my mother says, I don't think you're gonna fit in there. And I said, if I can fit 1,000-foot-long ship into Panama Canal, I can fit this car anywhere. Passing the Panama Canal, there is no space for mistake. We have approximately 2 feet on each side and, of course, the weather conditions. We have 2 more sets of locks, which is the Pedro Miguel. This is called Miraflores, and after that is the Pedro Miguel. Then we have a 2 to 3 hours sail within the river, and we have another set of 3 locks, which is called Gatun. Panama Canal is considered one of the modern wonders of the world. It's the highlight of the cruise. They cannot believe how difficult it is to stay without touching the sides of the wall. They expect to see the elevating of the vessel, which is like something you could not expect to see, that a vessel actually of this size and this magnitude will go into 3 steps up and then 3 steps down.